So now we are walking towards Infinity Hotel.
Let's ask them when they're open.
So we are very keen for the date when they will open, because we want to go and film a tour inside. So especially
This is like one of the, how do you say?
one of the best ones in this area.
The historic. As a good historist.
Yeah, and we really like their, I
They
don't
made
know.
they record very famous Turkish movies here in 80s, 70s.
Yeah, Mustafa
Like-
really enjoys to see all the pictures from Kuşadası, old movies. There was one movie they made in Kuşadası.
Come here, they might turn fast here.
Okay.
Come.
Even where Mustafa's mom is in that movie.
Yeah.
Devrim İngilizce konuşuyor.
Let's ask
Hiç
them.
anlamı yok.
Kolay
Yes.
gelsin. Ne zaman açacak bu
Devrim,
sene?
siz İngilizce biliyor musunuz?
Mayıs. May.
In May they will open.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Sağ ol.
Kolay gelsin. So in May we will come back and film a tour here inside.
They renovated, you know.
Very, very
It's
nice.
such a hotel.
Like this shape is sort of like a Turkish Ottoman style shape of the windows. They kept them to be unique. But you
Since
see,
they built these windows, the doors like that.
Yeah.
This arch.
it's beautiful.
Is the whole arch, yeah?
But it's not new hotel, yeah?
No, but they renovated from scratch.
Valerie was asking how old it is. Is it an old hotel?
What?
How old hotel?
I think they opened this one 1971 or 72.
Wow, it's 50 years ago.
This used to be casino hotel here. When the casinos were allowed, there was casino here.
Colette was asking about the aqua park. Yeah, so it's a nice new water park. Just opened maybe 2 years ago, right, baby?
Yeah, this hotel owns that one now.
So Infinity owns that, but you could come here as a separate. You pay entrance fee. We can show you a little bit of what it looks like. They have a huge fence, but we can a little bit show you over the fence. It's a very nice one, but it's a little bit sad for the people who live right next to, because all they hear is wah, boosh, wah. You know, to live next to the screaming water park, that is something.
Yeah.
So as you see, this fence starts here and it's quite tall, but we will try to show you a little bit of what it looks like. So, baby, can you help me with your tall hand? Just to lift that a little bit. Wait, okay, no, it's okay, because this
Yeah,
is
you
gonna
can.
plug.
They see, I think.
So you see a little bit now. We have like all kinds of sliding butterflies and
La Blue Hotel behind there. La Blue.
the white one.
The last corner of this hotel, after that the blue balconies,
Ah, yeah.
it's La Blue starts.
So yeah, that's what I was saying. If you live right here on the left, then all day long these people, wah!